In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import an FBX 3D model into Godot and apply textures correctly. If your model appears completely white after importing, don't worry, we'll fix that by adding the materials manually. Let's get started. First, open your Godot project. Simply drag your FBX 3D model file into the Godot file system panel. Now double-click the FBX file to preview it. If your model appears all white, that means the textures were not automatically assigned. So next, we will manually add the textures to the materials. Create a new 3D scene. Then drag the FBX model from the file system into the scene. Your model should now appear in the viewport. Next, click the Open Editor icon for the model. Choose New Inherited Scene or New Instance so we can edit the materials safely. This allows us to assign textures without modifying the original import. Now drag your FBX texture files from your computer into the Godot file system panel. These textures will be used for the materials. On the left side panel, select the Mesh Instance 3D node, then go to the Inspector panel. Scroll down until you find Surface Material Override. You will see a list of materials for that mesh. Click the drop-down arrow, then select Standard Material 3D. Click New Material. Inside the material settings, find Albedo. Set the texture slot to the texture you imported earlier. Your model should now start showing the correct colors. If your model has multiple parts or materials, repeat this process for each one. Create a Standard Material 3D, then assign the correct texture to the albedo slot. Once everything looks correct, save this scene. You can now drag this new scene into your main 3D scene whenever you want to use the model. And that's it. Now you know how to import an FBX model into Godot and correctly apply textures. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Godot tutorials.